Why so serious?
Okay, Joe, right foot green.
Did everybody get a lot of candy for Halloween?
Man, shut the fuck up!
Yeah, stop playing with me right now.
Is your baby crying? I'll make them stop. Go to sleep, go to sleep, go sleep, little pet.
You're gonna pay for what you did, nerd. Why can't I move? This guy, his name's Brad. He's my tormentor, oppressor, or in modern terms, my bully. Now, why is Brad about to give me an atomic wedgie? Well, that's a long story, but I guess I have time. Let's go back before the wedgies, rewind it to the start.